This demonstration we're going to look at installing the vSphere client. Now the vSphere client can be used for managing all aspects of the vSphere environment. It provides console access to virtual machines, and the vSphere client is used to connect remotely to ESXi Hosts and the vCenter server system from a supported Windows operating system. The vSphere client can be installed quickly and easily in the vCenter installer wizard, and the vSphere client runs on a specific list of Windows operating systems. I'm going to be installing mine on Windows Server 2003, but this could be Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 8. Alternatively, after an ESXi host or vCenter server is installed, we can connect either to the ESXi host through the web browser or through this vSphere client I'm going to install. So what we'll do here is we'll just install the vSphere client. So what I've done is I've just copied the vCenter installer files onto my desktop. So all we'll do here is we'll just run the installer files. We'll go for the vSphere client, click install, and what this is going to do now is extract the files. So rather than sit and wait and watch it extract the files, we'll just pause the video and return back once extraction is complete. So the next thing to do here is just select our language. I am in the United Kingdom, so the closest I've got is English United States. Select OK. Next thing to do, once this pops up, will be to actually just read through the license agreement, accept the patent agreement, and then get into the installation itself. So we'll select the next button at this point here. We'll read through the patent agreement and select next. We'll then read through the license agreement, agree to the license agreement, and select next. We'll just go with the default installation folder and select next, and then we'll select install. Now what this is going to do now, it's going to go away and install the vSphere client. It's not a very exciting thing to watch in the case of the installation. So what we'll do here, now that the installation started, we'll pause the video and return back once the installation is complete. As for the installation is now complete, so we'll just finish this off now. We'll close down the installer screen, and what we can now see is we've now got the vSphere client icon. So we'll just double click on this. This will then launch up the client. What we can then do through the client is actually connect through to our ESXi host. So in my case, mine is ESXi 01a.qavdc.com. I'm going to log in as root. I'm going to stick in my password. Once the password's in, we'll click login. Now if I'd logged into this box here as an Active Directory account and I had my ESXi host also sitting in an Active Directory, what I could do here is use the Windows session credentials to save me having to type in username and password twice. But I will log in. We'll just install the certificate. And what we can now see, if we just maximize this up, I'm now connected through to my ESXi host. It's not currently running any virtual machines, haven't really configured anything at this point here, and that's the end of this little demonstration of installing the Windows vSphere client. Thank you.